Today, 14 Kashmiris were killed by Pakistani forces. For 4 days, Kashmir has been cut off from the world because internet and mobile services are shut down. This is my second video in English. Please share this video. Assalamu alaikum, this is Amir Rajput, social media activist from Jammu Kashmir, Muzaffarabad. Now the government is even considering to impose emergency in Azad Kashmir. But the Azad Kashmir police have refused to deal bullets on their own people. The message is for the world, for human rights organization, for the UN and for overseas. Pakistani and Kashmiris, please be our voice. Pakistani TV channels are not telling the truth, only BBC is reporting the real situation in Kashmir. Kashmiris are only asking their government for basic rights. They are not against Pakistan or Pakistani forces. They want health, education and safety. Yet today we are being shot for asking for our rights. People are being killed. Please share this message. Please tell human rights group and the UN. Let the world know what is happening in Kashmir. We need help. We need the truth to reach everyone. Please share this video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.